Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your eSIM which is having no signal on your iPhone 16 Verizon. So here's a guide to activate and restore the service. Fix 1. Check for a Verizon network outage. Open My Verizon app, go to Account, then select Check for Service Alerts. Visit Verizon's coverage or outage map at verizon.com/coverage-map. Check downdetector.com and search Verizon for reports. If an outage is confirmed in your area, wait it out. Fix 2. Toggle airplane mode. So you need to open your settings on your iPhone 16, turn airplane mode on and wait for around 15 to 30 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Wait for the phone to re-register to Verizon. Check if signal bars return in the status bar. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone 16. Hold side button and either volume button until slider appears. Slide to power off and wait until screen goes dark. Wait for at least 30 seconds before powering back on. Press and hold side button until Apple logo appears. Check the status bar for Verizon signal once it boots. Fix 4. Turn the eSIM line back on. You need to go to Settings and then select Cellular. Tap on your Verizon eSIM line. If toggled off, tap Turn on this line as suggested by Apple support. Wait for a few seconds, then check for bars. If the line doesn't appear at all, skip to Fix 8. Fix 5. Verify eSIM is linked to your account. Log into My Verizon app to confirm line shows active. Ensure eSIM profile matches number stored on the device. Mismatches between profile and billing will stop the service. You need to contact your Verizon support to regenerate profile if needed. Fix 6. Check for carrier settings update. Go to Settings, select General, and then select About. Look at the carrier entry. Prompt. Check by toggling airplane mode. Updates often patch known system eSIM signal bugs. Fix 7. Reset network settings. You need to go to Settings and then select General. From there, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Go to Reset network settings. Also note, this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords, so write them down first. Clear cellular settings but will not delete your eSIM line. You need to toggle airplane mode on and off once after reset finishes. Fix 8. Remove and re-download eSIM profile. US iPhone 16 models only support eSIM and have no physical tray. So you can go to Cellular, select your Verizon line and tap Remove eSIM. Request a new activation QR code or link from My Verizon. Go to Cellular, select Add eSIM to scan and follow activation prompts. Restart phone once installation finishes and confirm signal. Provide IMEI2. It is found in settings and then you can go to About if requested by Verizon. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.